I was sent this dash cam at no charge for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. All right, so this is what you get out of the box. You're gonna have a 12-volt accessory plug that allows you to run all of this. It does come with a micro SD card, so that's pretty cool. It comes with a card already. This is a GPS antenna. This is the rear view camera. It comes with a very soft, nice cloth. It does come with a manual, of course, that goes through everything and tells you exactly how to get all of this stuff set up. And of course, all of this right here would plug into the monitor, which is here. On the front of the monitor, this is just a protective coating, but you're gonna have all of the monitor glass here. On the back of the monitor, you're gonna have these little clips here. These will pop off. You can just have these there, push this mounting strap down, and then pull it over your mirror and then push the mounting strap down here. And then of course, you've got your front view camera here. This is gonna keep an eye on what's going out the front windshield. So now that we've went over the basics on this, let's go ahead and get this thing installed so we can check it out. All right, so I did install this in my son's Volt, and a couple things. One, it has this extended area here where when you install it, you can actually extend the side of the mirror a little bit to make sure that the camera fits, because the camera's on the back side here for the front. So that was really cool. And then after putting this thing together and getting it fired up, way cooler than I even expected. It's very impressive. So it's got a reflective front to it. So if you turn it off, it acts like a mirror. Hi, how you doing? See, you can see my camera. But when you turn it on, it's the rear view camera. And it's also recording the front and recording the back. So right now, this is the back of his car. This made his view awesome. I mean, he can see everything back there now. As you can see traffic driving, he can see the whole parking lot behind him. This definitely minimizes anybody walking behind your vehicle and not being able to see them. It's better even than his backup camera. The quality on this camera is awesome. I mean, I just really was not expecting it to be this nice and crisp. Then you got this feature, show front camera. Okay. So now I can see out the front, and if I'm driving, and if you notice there was like a little square that popped up here, that's because it detects vehicles around you and it can tell you if you're fixing to have a collision. It's got G-force sensors in it. I mean, this thing just has so many cool features. So I just love the fact that you can go show rear camera. Okay. Look at there. Boom. He's in the back. Show both cameras. Okay. Look at that. Front and rear, same time. You can see all around your car. But I mean, I just love the rear view camera part. Show rear camera. Okay. Man, I love that. And how crisp it is. This does 4K and 1080p. So you can get 4K video out the front, 1080p in the back, or you can reduce that to 1080p in both. So that way you're not eating up too much of your memory card. While I was driving, I mean, no problem at all to see license plates in front of me, behind me, even at a distance. I mean, if you needed to pick up something on this dash cam and record it, you're going to get pretty good quality video off of this thing to do it. It's got a GPS sensor on here, so it automatically sets the time. It records the location on where you're at. There's a hardwire kit, which I also have with this, and we're going to hardwire it in. But right now, I've just got it plugged into the 12-volt accessory plug, which is really cool also because it has a USB port on the back of that. So you can plug it into the 12-volt accessory port, and it's also a USB charger. So, I mean, they have thought of like everything on this camera. It's got a compass up there in the top right corner. It tells you how fast you're going. And it's touchscreen, of course. So you can touch it. You can tell it to go home. You quit the current video you're recording. Then it's got all of these different features here. Of course, it tells you what time it is. You can go into the system settings. It was a very easy install. They've just thought of everything in this. Love the quality. Definitely 2 thumbs up for me. If you've got an older vehicle and you want to add some tech to it, you've got a vehicle you're giving to your kids and you want to put some safety features, I mean, it's way more than a dash cam. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.